Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Homework number 8. Someone received 40,000 as his salary. He spent 1/4 of it on food and 1/8 on other expenses. He spent 1/2 of the remaining amount on books. What is the total amount he spent on both food and other 1/4 plus 1/8. Common denominator 8. 8 over 2 into 3/8. What fraction is what of the total amount he spent on both food and other expenses? Then his salary is 40,000. Then amount can be determined 3/8 of 40,000. 15,000 rupees spent for both food and the other expenses. Roman 2. What fraction of the salary is spent on books? Then remaining amount equals as a fraction 8/8 minus 3/8, 5/8. This is the remaining part, right? 5/8. Then what fraction of the salary is spent on books? 1/2 of the remaining amount spent for books. For books, 5/8 into half, 5/16, right? Third one, find the amount he spent on books. On books, we need the amount. Total salary 40,000. 5/16 out of 40,000. Let's simplify. $12,500. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Last question. What fraction of salary is left over after these expenses are met? Then we know the total expenditure. $15,000 for both the food and other expenses. On books, 12,500. Total is 27,500. Then you can determine the remaining amount. What fraction? We need only the fraction. අපේ පුතේ අහන්නේ fraction එකයි. What fraction of his salary left over after these excesses are met is? We need the fraction. Right? Three over 8, 5/16. 6 plus 5. The total is 11/15. Remaining part 16/16 minus 11/16 is 5/16. This is the answer. Have you got the answer, පුතා? ඒකද උත්තරේ? Is it 5/16?
Yes, sir.
Oh, 3/16 plus 5/16. Yes. The remaining part is 5/16. Question number 2. පුතාට මේ මොඳ වෙලා වගේද පේන්නේ?
ඔව් සර්.
Yes, sir.
පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්න. Second question. Three 1/2 into 2 1/3. Seven over 2 minus 1/4. 7/3. Common denominator 4. 4 over 2, 2 is 14 minus 1. Seven over 3. 13/4. 7/3. No common factors. 91/12. 7. 7/12. No. Yes. Is this the answer?
Yes, sir.
Second one. 1/2. 3/4. Half. 3/2. 3/4. Common denominator 4. 6 plus 3. 9/4. Multiplied by the reciprocal. Reciprocal is 2/1. Simplify by 2. 9/2 as a mixed number. 4.5. ඒ උත්තරය ආවද 4.5?
Yes, sir.
Right. half of 1/3. 1/3. Half. You have to do of 4/3. 4/3. Simplify by 2. 2/3 multiplied by the reciprocal 3/4. Then simplify by 3 and also by 2. Plus is half. Yes, is half. Question number 4. හතරවෙනි එක. Two 1/3 of 1.5 3/4. Right? 7/3 of means multiplication. 3/2 minus 3/4. Simplify by 3. 7/2 minus 3/4. The common denominator is 4. 4/2, 2 into 7, 14 minus 3. 11/4. 2 3/4. Have you got the answer? 2 3/4.
Yes, sir.
Right. Then question number 5. පස්වෙනි එක. Two 1/2. 1/3 into 1.5. 5/2. 4/3. Yes. 3/2. Divide by 3. 5/2. 2/1. Common denominator 2. 5. 4. 9/2. 4.5. 4.5 hour නේද පුතේ?
Oh, sir.
Right, the last question. සෙන්සුරාදා පුතාලගේ ෆිසිකල් ක්ලාස් එක පටන් ගන්නවා. 10 මාර නේද? සෙන්සුරාදා 10 මාටද පුතේ 10ට 10 මාරනේ.
සර් ඉරිදා ක්ලාස් එකක් තියනවද?
ඔව් ඉරිදා කීයද පුතේ 5 මාරද? 5ද 5නේ.
ऑनलाइन क्लास එකක් තියනවද?
ඔන්ලයින් එකක් අපි කරමු. ඊට අමතරව ওই විදිහට කරමු. හරි?
සර් මේ වෙලාවටමද?
ඔව්. 1.5, 1/3. Right, first of all, bracket should be simplified. 7/3, 3/2. 1/4, 4/3. Common denominator 6. Divide 6 by 3, 2 into 7, 14. 6 by 2, 3 into 3, 9. Common denominator 12. When divided into n by 4, 3 into 1, 3. 12 by 3, 4 into 4, 16. 23/6 and 19/12. 23/6 reciprocal is 12/19. Divide by 6, 1, 2. 46/18, 19. The answer is 2, 8/19. 2, 8/19. I've got the answer. Diana, is this the answer?
Yes, sir.
Right. Question number 3. Thirty-five to 60. The figure shows a flower bed with semicircular boundaries. Find the perimeter of the flower bed. Right. We can see two semicircles, large semicircles and small semicircles. And you can find the length of large semicircles. To 5r. Length of large semicircle. Two semicircles means it's a circle. 22/7. Radius is 35/2. Sun is the diameter. 17.5 or 35/2. You can simplify by 2 by 7. 5 into 22. 110 centimeters. The length of small semicircles. 25r. The radius is, yes, breadth is 16. Length is 8. Sorry, radius is 8. 44 into 8. 352/7. You can represent it as a decimal number. To the nearest first decimal place, the answer is 50.3. Then you can find the perimeter. 110 plus 50.3. 160.3 centimeters. උත්තරය ආවද 160.3 606.3. Yes. Dolki, is this the answer? ආවේ නැද්ද? උත්තරේ
mix තම්බයකට ඉඩ
ඔව් කමක් නැහැ. 160 what is the if you represent 2 over 7? 162 over 7.
yes sir.
Yes, correct. Question number 5. අපි පස්වෙනි එකට එනවා. Fifth question. Find the value accurate to one decimal place. The square root. Using division method, we can determine it. Yes, with 160.28 is correct. Yes. First one is root 51. We can use two pairs of zeros. Complete square less than 51 is 49. The square root is 7. 7 into 7, 49. Subtract 2. Take these two. Put the decimal point. Twice of 7, 14. The value here is 141. Yes, 59. Take next pair. Twice of 71, 142. The value is yes, yes, 4. To the first decimal place, your answer is 7.1. So 51 equals 7.1. Roman 2, 217, 3000. Complete square less than 2 is 1. Square root also 1. 1 into 1, 1. Take this 17. 2 times 1, 1 times 2. 4. 96. Next pair. 30. Twice of 14, 28. 28. I think 7. Yes. Subtract 1, 2, 1. Next pair. Twice of this one. 294. Yes. The value is 4. to the first decimal place, your answer is 14.7. ඒ උත්තරේ ගත්තද? I got it 14.7. හදලා නැද්ද දන්නේ නැහැ මේගොල්ලෝ.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
හරි. Third one. 45.32. දැන් තර දන්නවා මේක. Decimal place එකකට හොයන්න කිව්වොත් අපිට දෙකකට හොයන්න වෙනවා. That's why we use this two pairs of 0. Complete square less than 45 is 36. Square root is 6. Subtract 36, 9. Take next pair. Price of 6, 12. I think the value is 7. Next pair. The value is 3. But need to multiply. The answer is to the first decimal place. When rounding off it, the answer becomes 6.7. 6.7. Fourth question. 0.9571. 9571. Start from 0. Next pair. Put the decimal point. Complete square less than 95 is 81. Square root is 9. Take next pair. Price of 918. So the value is 0.97. Yes. Not need to subtract it. We need the answer, the first decimal place. Rounding off, your answer is 1.0 to the first decimal place. Board එක මොඳ වෙලාද? තාම එහෙමද පුතේ?
ඒක සර් ටිකකින් බොඳ වෙනවා ආයි ක්ලියර් වෙනවා වගේ. ඒක ගැටලුවක් නෑ සර්.
හරි චූට්ටකින් මම බලන්න. Question number 5. 12.321. Put a 0. Complete square less than 12 is 9. Square root is 3. Take next pair, it comes from the decimal part. Choice of 3 is 6. 5. 7. Next pair. Choice of 35. 70. 1. Yeah, says the first decimal place 3.5. 3.5. Yes. 3.5. Question number 5. Three x minus 1, 2x plus 3. 3x minus 1, 2x plus 3. You can write it 3x times 2x plus 3, then minus 1 times 2x plus 3. Remove the brackets. 6x squared plus 9x plus 2x minus 3. 6x squared plus 7x minus 3. Second one, 5a plus 3, a plus 4. 5a plus 3 plus 4, 5a times a plus 4 plus 3 times a plus 4. 5a squared plus 20a plus 3a plus 12. 5a squared 23a plus 12. 23a plus 12. Right. 6a squared plus 6ab minus 2ab minus 2b squared. 6a squared plus 4ab minus 2b squared. The last one, 5x plus half x plus 1 over 4. 5x times x plus 1 over 4 half times x plus 1 over 4. 5x squared plus 5x over 4. 5x over 4. This one is x over 2 plus 1 over 8. You can simplify this. Make a simplify karutta. The common denominator is 4, 5x, then 4 over 2 into 2x. You can write it 5x squared plus 7x over 4 plus 1 over 8. This is the answer. Right, the last question. පුතාලා මේ අන්තිමකට උත්තරේ ගත්තද? Have you got this answer?
Yes, sir.
Right, very good. Sixth question. Expand each of the following squares of binomial expressions. First one, a minus 2b squared. Square of the first term plus 2 times product of these two terms minus 2b, then square of the second term, a squared minus 4ab 4b squared. Second one, minus 3 2x squared. Square of the first term, 2 times product of these two into 2x plus 2x squared. 9, 2 into 3, 6, 12, minus 12x plus 4x squared. Yes. Third one, minus 2y plus x squared. Minus 2y squared plus 2 times minus 2y x plus x squared. Minus 2y squared means 4y squared plus into minus, minus into plus, minus 4xy plus x squared. The last one, a plus half a squared plus 2 times a times half plus half to the power 2. Yes, a squared, you can simplify this, plus a plus 1 over 4. When considering the square of this half, we have to consider the square of both 1 and 2. 1 squared 1, 2 squared 4. Hurry. පුතේ waiting room එකක් නැහැ නේද මේකේ? පුතාලට ගන්න ගැටලුවකුත් නැහැ නේද? ඔක්කොමට එන්න පුළුවන් වුණානේ.
ඔව් සර්.
හරි. පුතාලගේ writing book එක ගන්න. අපිට binomial expressions වලට චූට්ටක් තියෙන එක ඉවර කරලා අපි එනවා ඊළඟ lesson එක. lesson number 5 congruence of triangles. Write down this question. මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ ලියන්න. Find the value of x squared plus y squared when x plus y equals 5 and xy equals 6, right? I will give you three minutes. Do it. විනාඩි 3ක් දෙන්න පුතලා කරන්න බලන්න. කරලා මට කියන්න කලා කියලා. Find the value of x squared plus y squared when x plus y equals 5 and xy equals 6. Very important thing. X squared plus y squared not equal to x plus y squared. ඒක ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නවා. මේ දෙක සමාන නැහැ. Right? X plus y squared not equal to x plus y squared. You know, when it's expanding this one, the answer is, what is the answer? X squared plus 2 times of this product of these 2xy plus y squared. ගොඩක් දරුවෝ මේ දෙක සමානයි කියලා එකපාරට ගන්නවා. Different meaning. These two are not equal. Right. try කරන්න විනාඩි 3ක් දෙන්නම්ම.
Okay, sir.
students, tell me the answer. කවුරු හරි කියලා උත්තරේ බලන්න හදපු කෙනෙක්.
13.
13.
13.
Right. Then how to do this? We need x squared plus y squared. You can start from this relationship. X plus y equals 5. Then you can take square of both sides. උදාට එකම ඔපරේෂන් එක දෙපැත්තටම දාන්න පුළුවන්. මේක ස්ක්වයර් එක ගන්නවා. මේකෙත් ස්ක්වයර් එක ගන්නවා. Then expand this. X squared 2 times of product of these two, 2xy. The square of the second term y squared equals 25. We need x squared plus y squared. Then we make x squared y squared the subject. 2xy can be taken to your right side. X squared plus y squared equals 25 minus 2xy. Right? 25 minus 2. Xy is given. This is 6. Substituted for xy. 25 minus 12. The answer is 13. Very good. The answer is correct. Oh, Mohandai. Right. This question. Make a thadan. Find the value of a squared plus b squared when a minus b equals 3 and ab equals 28. Right. Do it. Yes. What is the answer?
65.
65.
65. Yes, I think the answer is 65. You can start from a minus b. It is equals 3. Then take the square of both sides. A minus b square equals 3 squared. Expand this. Square of the first term. Product of 2 times minus 2ab plus b squared equals 9. Make x squared b squared, x squared b plus b squared the subject 9 plus 2ab. X squared plus b squared equals 9 plus 2 times ab is 28. 9 plus 56. The answer is 65. Very good. Next one. Find the value of x plus y when x squared plus y squared equals 25 and xy equals 12. Do it. Xy equals 12. Yes. What is the value of x plus y?
7.
Side. Very good. The answer is 7. අනිත් අයටත් වෙලාව දෙන්නම්. හදන්න තනියම. මෙතනදි පුතා පටන් ගන්න තියෙන තැන මම හිතන්නේ හොඳම දේ. You can find this x plus y squared equals x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Right? Then you can write this x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. X squared plus y squared means 25. For these two, you can write as 25. Then 2 times 12. 25 plus 24, 49. X plus y squared 49. To find x plus y, we need square root of these both sides. X plus y equals square root of 49. It is 7. Fourth question. X plus k squared equals x squared plus 6x plus q. Find the value of k and q. Find the value of k and q. Find the value of k and q. K and q. Do it. What is K? What is Q?
K equals 3, Q equals 9.
You can expand this. Start from this x plus K squared equals x squared plus 6x plus Q. Make expand කරපු තල දන්නවනේ. X squared plus 2kx plus k squared equals x squared plus 6x plus q. Two expressions are equal. මේ දෙක සමානයි කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Coefficient are equal. X squared coefficient එක 1. Make it 1. මෙතන coefficient එක 6. Coefficient of x. Coefficient of x of this one is 2k. Then you can construct the relationship 2k equals 6. Then k equals 6 over 2. K equals 3. And unit terms are equal. What is it? Q equals k squared. K squared means 3 squared. Q equals 9. නමයප්පේ. හරි? 9. බලන්න මේක ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ නේද? මේක expand කළා. Same equation. මේක coefficient x is 6. If it is coefficient of this expression x is also 6. Take the equality with 6 to k equals 6, then you can determine k, and this unit term equal to q, then kx squared equal q. You can obtain k as 9. හරි. අපි තව එක ගානක් හදලා ඊළඟ lesson එකට යමු. Write down. Find the value of t squared plus 1 over t squared when t plus 1 over t equals to. Do it. Then after that we can start lesson number 5, congruence of triangles. Yes, sir. What is the answer? What do you
2.
4.
2? T plus 1
4.
over t is 2. You can start from this one. Make patangan t plus 1 over t equals 2. You can take square of both sides equals 2 squared. Then expand this. T squared plus 2 times t times 1 over t plus 1 over t squared. Right? Equals 4. You can simplify this. Then t squared plus 1 over t squared equals 4 minus 2. The answer is 2. Yes, Buddha. The answer is 2. Right, we can start lesson number 5. පස්වෙනි එක පටන් ගමු. Congruence of triangles. Congruence of triangles. Congruence of triangles. ඔය සිංහලෙන් කියන පුතේ ත්‍රිකෝණ අංග සාම්‍ය කියලා. Right? Congruence of triangles. What are the congruent triangles? What are the elements of a triangle? You know, elements are the
Three sides and
angles,
three angles.
Arms.
angles and sides of the arms, right? Sides and the angles are the elements of a triangle. There are three angles and also 3 sides. If 2 triangles are congruent, their corresponding elements are equal. අපි සිංහලෙන් කියන අංග සමානයි. අංග සමානයි කියන්නේ අංග සාම්‍ය කියලා කියන්නේ අංග සමාන. Congruent triangles. If 2 triangles are congruent, the elements are equal. And if 2 triangles are congruent, these 2 triangles can be coincided. අපිට ඒ දෙක coincide කරන්න පුළුවන්. එක මත එක තියන්න පුළුවන්. හරියට. Coincide කරන්න. Right? Think these 2 are congruent triangles. අපි හිතමු මේ දෙක congruent කියලා. A, B, C and PQR are congruent triangles. Then we can denote this relationship using this one. Triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR. Triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR. You can use these 3 horizontal lines. If you know, we can use this to represent equal symbol. This is called congruent symbol. The congruent කියලා symbolize කරන්න. Congruent 2 triangles are congruent and you can use this symbol. If you calculate අපි කිව්වොත් ඒ triangles දෙක congruent කියලා අපි කියනවා. හරි. එතකොට දැන් මෙහෙමයි පුතේ. If you prove, here we are discussing a very important part. If you prove 2 triangles are congruent, we can use 4 cases. අපිට cases 4ක් තියෙනවා ඉගෙන ගන්න. Then previously I told you then if 2 triangles are congruent, their corresponding elements are equal. Right? There are 3 sides and also 3 angles. When proving two triangles are congruent, not need to prove equality of all the elements. It's very difficult thing. හරි? ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් දෙකක් congruent කියලා කියද්දි මේ ඔක්කොම සමානයි කියලා කියකින්න ඕනේ නැහැ. මෙයාට මෙයා එහෙම කරන්නේ ඔක්කොම elements 6ක් කියන්න ඕනේ අපිට. It's difficult thing. Using only 3 elements, equality of 3 elements that we can mention. Two triangles are congruent. There are 4 such cases. එවැනි element 3ක් විතරක් සමානයි කියලා triangles දෙකක් congruent කරන්න පුළුවන් cases 4ක් තියෙනවා. ඒ 4 අපි ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕනේ one by one. හරියට ඔලුවට ගන්න. මොකද්ද මේ කියන්නේ? පොඩි note එකක් අපි ලියමු. Write down a pair of plane figures, sorry, a pair of triangles which may be made to coincide is called a pair of congruent triangles. Is called a pair of congruent triangles. Hey. පුතාලා මේ මීටින් එකෙන් දැන් මීටින් එක කට් වෙයි. පුතාලා නැවත එන්න ගිහිල්ලා කට් වුණාට පස්සේ මම ඉක්මනට එන්නම්. හරි. Right. Then පුතේ බාධක ගොඩයි පව කට් එක. හරි. ලියාගන්න බැරි වුණාද පුතාලා ලියලා ඉවරද? Have you completed?
ලියලා ඉවරයි සර්.
හරි. For example, if the two triangles triangles ABC and X, Y, Z. ABC and X, Y, Z are congruent We indicate this fact by writing triangle ABC congruent triangle X, Y, Z. ඔය විදිහට අපි පෙන්නනවා. Triangle ABC congruent triangle X, Y, Z. It is not necessary to show that the 6 elements show that right to show that the 6 element of one triangle, the 6 elements of one triangle, the 6 elements of one triangle are equal to the 6 elements of the other triangle six elements of the other triangle. පුතේ බාධක ගොඩයි power cut එක හරි ලියා ගන්න බැරි වුණාද පුතාලා ලියලා ඉවරද have completed
ලියලා ඉවරයි සර්.
හරි For example, if the two triangles ABC and X, Y, Z, ABC and X, Y, Z are congruent, we indicate this fact by writing triangle ABC congruent triangle X, Y, Z. ඔය විදිහට අපි පෙන්නනවා. Triangle ABC congruent triangle X, Y, Z. It is not necessary to show that the 6 elements show that right to show that the 6 element of one triangle, the 6 elements of one triangle, the 6 elements of one triangle are equal to the 6 elements of the other triangle, six elements of the other triangle. it is sufficient to show that three of the elements are equal. Right? It is sufficient to show that three of the elements are equal. There are four such cases. ඒ වගේ cases හතරක් තියෙනවා. Right? There are four such cases. දැන් මේකෙන් කියවෙන්නේ නැහැ පුතේ හැම elements තුනක්ම සමාන තව එක තුනකට congruent වෙනවා කියලා. හරිද? Especially four cases are defined. විශේෂයෙන් එවැනි cases හතරක් define කරලා දීලා තියෙනවා අපිට. හරි? right. erase කරන්නද?
Okay, sir.
Triangles දෙකක් congruent වෙනවා කියලා කියන්නේ elements සමාන වෙනවා. If two triangles are congruent, their elements are equal. What are the elements, sides and angles? එතකොට දැන් අනිවාර්යයෙන් congruent නම් elements සමාන වෙනවා. හැබැයි ඔක්කොම element අපිට කියන්නේ prove කරන්න කියලානේ congruent කියලා. එතකොට triangles දෙක when proving two triangles are congruent, we not need to mention the equality of all the elements. Right? Using only equality of three elements that we can prove it. Right? Important thing, this does not mean if any three elements equal to three elements of the other triangle, these two are congruent. There are four special cases. හැම element තුනක්ම තව එක තුනකට සමාන වුණා කියලා මේ congruent වෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඒකට special cases හතරක් තියෙනවා. ඒ හතර අපි මතක තියාගන්න ඕනේ. හරි? erase කරන්නද? වෙලාව ඕනේද පුතාලට?
Erase කරන්න, sir.
Right. Write down first case. අපි මේ cases හතර ඉගෙන ගමු. cases හතර අපිට ලියන්න පුළුවන්. මම explain කරන්න පුතාට cases හතර මොනවද කියලා. Right? After explaining it, then we can write. අපිට සෙනසුරාදාට එතකොට මේ cases ටික physical class එකේ කතා කරන්න පුළුවන්. මම explain කරන්න. Right? First case පළවෙනි case එක. Right? there are two triangles. Two sides are equal and included angle are equal. What do you mean by this included angle? The angle, the middle angle to equal sides. සමාන sides දෙකට මැදින් තියෙන දෙක තමයි included angle එක කියලා කියන්නේ. සිංහලෙන් කියන අන්තර්ගත කෝණ included angle. If two sides are equal, then you can see an included angle are equal. Then you can say these two are congruent under the case side angle side. Side angle side. We use simply we can write it as SAS. The congruent case is SAS, side angle side. SAS. හරිද? Side angle side. Then the second case, ඊළඟ පුතේ දෙවෙනි case එක තියෙනවා. The second case is second one.
Excuse me, sir, is it side or side?
Side. Then the second case, if two angles and this is the second case. Right? If two angles and a side, two angles and the corresponding side. What do you mean by the corresponding side? You can see this one equal to this one. The equal symbol represents the equality. සමාන ලකුණු දාලා තියෙන සමාන. මේ දෙක සමානයි. Corresponding කියලා කියන්නේ මේකේ the opposite side to this angle, the opposite side to the same angle. This is called the corresponding side. දැන් මේක සමාන වුණා කියලා හරියන්නේ නැහැ. Right? සමාන angle එකට ඉස්සරහින් තියෙන side එකක් equal වෙන්න ඕන. ඔය විදිහට. එහෙම නැත්නම් මේක. එහෙම නැත්නම් මේක. Right? This is called angle side. Simply we can write it as AAS. Third one, තුන්වෙනි එක පුතේ. Third case. Three sides are equal. Three sides of the another triangle. Sides to the samana. This case is called side, side, side. Simply we can write it as SSS. Side, side, side. තුන්වෙනි case එක. The fourth case, හතරවෙනි එක. The fourth case is fourth one. හතරවෙනි එක පුතේ. Right? The right angle, two right angle triangles and hypotenuse are equal and another side. What is it? Definitely right angle triangles. Hypotenuse are equal and another side. Right angle triangle දෙක hypotenuse දෙක equal වෙලා වෙන sides එකකුත් equal වුණොත් අපි කියනවා RHS. Right angle triangle hypotenuse side. RHS කියලා අපි කියනවා. Right angle triangle hypotenuse side. හරිනේ. ඒකත් conditions තුනක් තියෙනවා right angle triangles වෙන්න ඕනේ. Hypotenuse දෙක equal වෙන්න ඕනේ. Sides දෙකක් equal වෙන්න ඕනේ. RHS. හරි. මොනවද cases හතර? First one, side angle side. Side එකයි included angle එකයි side එක. ඊළඟ එකෙත් side එකයි included angle එක side. Side angle side. Second case, angle side. Two angles and corresponding side. Third case, three sides. Three sides of the another one. Side, side, side. The last one, RHS. What is it? Right angle triangle hypotenuse side. ඔය cases හතර බයින්ඩ් එපා. අපි පන්ති 21 ක්ලාස් එකක පටන් ගත්තාම නැවත මේවා කතා කරමු. මුලින්දලම කන්ග්ලොස් පාඩම මම කියන්නේ නැවත පැහැදිලි කරලා දෙන්නම් පුතාලට. කොහොමද කරලා දෙන්න. එහෙමනම් සෙන්සුරාදා අපි ෆිසිකල් ක්ලාස් එකේදී හම්බෙමු උදේ 10:00ට. ඉරිදා දරුවන්ට ඉරිදා හවස 5ට තියෙන්නේ නේද? හරි. පුතාලා හැමෝටම බුදු සරණයි. පරිස්සමෙන් ඉන්න.
බුදු සරණයි sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Sir, Saturday class 10 මාර 12 මාරද?
ඔව් පුතේ 10:00 12:00.
Okay, sir.
හරි රෙකෝඩින් එක දෙනවා පුතේ. ඕෂදී රෙකෝඩින් එක දෙන්න.